Welcome back everyone. So in this video we will be going to cover how to use the shell commands inside the pipeline, because no matter what kind of project you do, you will have to run a shell command. So this is really a basic fundamental of creating a pipeline. I'm using default GUI to write down the code, so it's easy for me. You can use Visual Studio or any other code editor, that's perfectly fine. I think I should zoom in a little bit. So we're going to create a pipeline like we did before. We're going to have stages, and we are going to have stage, and we're going to have steps. Let me just copy this multiple times. Okay, each stage has a name first, and I would really strongly suggest you do along with me. So that's the only way to learn. Watching videos is not going to get you anything. That's why I like to create my videos more like a demo than sort of a lecture or stuff. So we have 3 stages, and really our objective is to learn how to use the shell command. What we do with it is not really that relevant. So let's say if you want to run a shell command, you write just sh, and if it is single command, it's going to be in between single apostrophes. So list, what's my current directory, what's list everything in the current directory. Let's create a file in this stage, and say this is a file in my file.txt, and then we can list it again to check if that file is there. Of course it will be there, but we are going through steps, and that's what is important. So in this stage, that's what we are doing. In the next steps, we want to read the file. But cat is again shell command, right? So we are going to read that file in this. And in the third stage, we are going to check the file again. Let's just add more commands. Okay, there's one more way of doing this which we can learn. If you want to execute multiple commands, you keep everything between triple apostrophes, double quotes, triple double quotes. Okay, so at the start of beginning everything, so now you don't have to use sh again and again and again, and you will see how this works. We can list into as well. We can cat the file again, and we can remove the file now because we are done with it, and we can check if there is anything left or not. So yeah, now I didn't have to use sh all the time, so this is also a practical use cases, and let's see, everything should work perfectly fine. Oh, what did I miss? It's always good to check errors. No such property, my file for class. Okay. This is something. And that is going to cost you a lot. So here we are using echo as a command and not as just echo. So what you're going to do is, oh, I completely missed that. Keep everything inside. That's why you get to learn at least this. If this first stage is failing, these stages won't run. So this is now a shell command, like a normal shell command, and it should work now. First failed, so second would fail and third would fail, and now the first one worked, second one worked, third one worked. Running on Jenkins. It ran the command. We are here. It listed everything. There is no file. It echoed into that file. Now you listed there is a file. You can cat it and it's saying hello, this is a file. And now we are in the third stage. It's listing again, and remember we just used one sh for everything. So it's listing, it's giving directory again, it's getting the file again, it's removing the file again, and now you're listing it. There's nothing in it. So of course I didn't do anything meaningful, but the important thing was to learn how to use the shell command, and well, you also understood how the chain works. So that's very, very important. There are further ways to condition things, like by default this is how it is. If first one is gonna fail, rest of the chain pipeline is not going to work. But you can write code in such a way that if it fails it goes to second, or if second one fails, skip it. And so you can configure it that way if you want, but this is the default. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next with some more details on things.